I make this look good.
Très bien! Welcome to another wonderful episode of Viva Pinata Party Animals!
It's a spectacular day for an adventure-filled race around Pinata Island, Pierre. I'm here with the contestants now. Let's take a look at what's ahead for them. What a fantastic race we've got planned.
What can you tell us about the track conditions? 3, 2, 1, allez!
I'll need weeks of therapy to recover.
Hudson or Stachio, do you need a map? Oh, how cute! Little wings!
I hope nobody gets hurt.
Speak for yourself! Hudson or Stachio uses his new toy! Quelle surprise! Hudson or Stachio is the winner! What is the final score? Oh! Yes, I've just been told that the challenge event is ready for action.
I've just been told that our ratings are better than ever. Let's get ready to party! Marvelous! Watch out for the sour candy! Final score! Let's see what the final score from this event is.
All the practice was worthwhile.
All right, we're on our way! Can you feel that?
There she goes!
Hudson Horstachio is #1 again.
This result could have changed everything.
It hasn't changed my headache.
Welcome back, everyone. Our contestants now face another grueling challenge as they leave the jungle and enter the town.
Danger and excitement are found at every turn. With spectacular jumps, dramatic train crashes, and more weapons than you can shake a whacking stick at, this course has it all.
And what about our contestants? Are they ready for action?
Well, I think ready would be putting it generously. I haven't seen a more out-of-shape bunch since last week's caramel apple eating contest. Still, they're full of sugar and ready to run.
Okay, let's not delay. 3, 2, 1, allez! This is a recipe for disaster!
And it makes me hungry for more.
Going to get messy!
Just the way our viewers want it.
Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Let's see what's inside. Oh boy, this is gonna smart. Make way for the VIP!
Wonderful, wonderful! This is great racing!
#1 with a rocket, see? I bet you're wondering what the score is. I know I am.
Yes, I've just been told that the challenge event is ready for action.
I've just been told that our races are better than ever. We're off!
Who did it?
The final score?
Hudson Horstachio, accept no substitutes.
Three, 2, 1, go! Oh no, it's over to you. There she blows!
How would you like it?
Pass the bomb to someone soon!
go changing the channel.
But c'est bon to someone soon.
The final score. The final score.
Hudson Horstachio. Accept no substitutes.
This result could have changed everything.
It hasn't changed my headache.
Oh, bonjour! You're just in time for another great Viva Pinata Party Animals race! Becky, what kind of daunting dangers, terrible traps, and horrible hazards await our contestants?
Well, there's some horrible coffee on sale at the cafe.
No giant crocodiles in the river? No trapdoors in the tunnels? No monsters running through the streets?
Nope, it's a slow news day.
Well, our contestants are ready now. Let us see if they can make some action!
3, 2, 1, go!
Going to get messy!
Just the way our viewers want it.
Look out!
Don't warn them, Pierre. I want to see the paper fly.
Nice one!
Did your mom help you? Let's see what the final score from this event is.
There's no rest for these plucky piñatas as they race to the challenge event!
There's no rest for your mouth either. Three, 2, 1, go! Nothing can stop you.
Look how fast it is going! Win! And here are the results!
Fantastic! Hudson is winning! A 3, a 2, a 1. It's a head-on collision with danger. Okay.
Quick, get the candy! She's running out!
The final score. The final score. Fantastic. Hudson is winning.
There's no time for celebrations just yet, Pecky. There's another race to start.
Oh, goody.